Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In list of best toolboxes for mechanic, we pick Keter Masterloader as our number one choice. Keter Masterloader is a serious box for serious mechanic, where you need to bring along everything but the kitchen sink. There are nearly 3,000 cubic inches of storage inside, the wheels are large and strong, and the box rolls along with surprising ease, even when fully loaded. It's easy to move around for such a large toolbox. Two halves of the lid slide apart for easy access, and the handle retracts to stay out of your way. Its central locking mechanism is convenient and reliable. All that features and facilities force me to consider Keter Masterloader as our number one pick. Our second pick is Doold DWS T0820. To handle this enormous workload, toolboxes need to be strong and sturdy, and the DEWALT Tough System case ticks all the boxes you could want for this. It is enormous and competent enough to carry all the tools you can fit into it and can take up to 110 pounds worth of tools, which is a big deal and a dream come true to potential buyers who work with a lot of devices. No doubt, this is a toolbox that is all about the efficiency of storage, as evidenced by the inner vertical storage room, which was made for hand tools. So, you don't have to place your screwdrivers and the likes with the other devices that stay on the floor. That's not all, it also possesses a removable tray where you can keep smaller equipment and items like nuts and bolts. This is not the case, as it features side handles that allow it to easily placed on metal carriers that aid the process of transportation. Our third pick is Stalwart 75MJ5051B. The Stalwart toolbox has a sturdy construction and was put together with polypropylene and stainless steel. This is an impressive combination, which, in turn, has led to the creation of a sturdy box. It contains 15 removable compartments in the top tier, which allows it to house small equipment and items for easy access. What's more, the top layer also features a plastic lid that makes it aesthetically pleasing, and the toolbox also considers the weight of the top tier as it comes with support legs, which prevents the box from tipping over and spilling its contents. The inside is spacious and is made to take a lot of tools, and the lock system is competent and secure and is easy to operate. The stainless steel handle allows for easy transportation from one place to the other. Overall, it is a top contender for the best toolbox and is worth every penny spent on it. DEWALT TSTAK DWS T17804 is out fourth choice. The first thing to note about this DEWALT is that it has space, lots and lots of space. The vast interior of two-drawer system effortlessly stores most of the tools you would need to carry out any job. It might not be as large as its sister toolbox, but it still has a lot of space which it uses smartly. This is evident with the addition of a top organizer with dividers that are ideal for storing drills and bits. What's more, the handle is comfortable and allows for easy transportation when the box is in use. This box also features side latches that enable it to be stacked on top of other modules, and it features metal latches that are resistant to rust and gleam dully as you carry out your daily tasks. You can use the DEWALT toolbox in your home, at work, or on a separate site while working. Last but not least, my final recommendation is MTOOLS 22179. The MTOOLS 19 toolbox is another classic-style lightweight toolbox with a compact profile, but plenty of well-considered drawers, trays and storage cubbies. The main interior tray is easily removed to accommodate a couple of modest-sized power tools, while the built-in lid organizers let you bring along all the screws, nuts, bolts, washers and drill bits you like. With a maximum capacity of 40 pounds, this is a pocket-sized dynamo that will do any mechanic proud. So here is the end of our top 5 mechanic toolbox list. Hope it's helped you to make decision.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!